I started my career there as a lawyer, and in 2010 I moved here to Canada. I have two boys, and currently I've been working for the past 3 years as a paralegal at a law firm full-time. Last year I started looking for options to move online. As everybody else, I have no previous experience, and I needed help, definitely guidance, someone to provide me with resources. And I found this platform, and I took the first step watching the webinar as this one, and then I took action to check it out. And I started my business end of last June. It took me 3 weeks to set it up. That's as well. While working definitely full-time. I'm doing this still till now part-time. And I saw my first results 3 months after I started, and things started picking up for me starting January this year. And last month I was able to earn double what I make in my 9-to-5 job as a paralegal, with all the targets that I have to meet at the end of the month. So I'm so happy about it, so excited. And I just want to also highlight something about this business that I love so much. This business is, for me, it was like a window that allowed me to look to a new world, to interact with like amazing and wonderful people through the business, through the people I'm communicating with on daily basis. So yeah, I'm just happy and excited about it. And for all the people who are watching us tonight and they are interested, I just encourage them to check it out. It's a one-time membership fee, and with the refund policy that we have, I think it's fair enough for all parties. So thank you so much again.